The service light, shown by a wrench icon, or maint, appears on your Nissan X-Trail dashboard as a reminder for scheduled maintenance. It typically triggers every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. Don't ignore it, but remember it's just a reminder, not a warning of immediate danger. To manually reset the service light on most 2015-2022 models, first ensure the ignition is turned to on, but do not start the engine. Use the trip reset button on your dashboard or steering wheel to cycle through the display options until you reach the service or maintenance mileage screen. Press and hold the trip reset button until the service light resets and the display updates. The exact procedure may vary slightly by model year, so check your owner's manual. For 2023 and later models, you can also reset through the Nissan Connect app by going to Vehicle Settings, then Maintenance. Important: always perform the necessary maintenance before resetting the light. Resetting only clears the reminder, not any underlying mechanical issues. Also, resetting the service light doesn't erase diagnostic trouble codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for those separately. If the manual method doesn't work, an OBD2 scanner is an alternative. Plug the scanner into the OBD2 port under the driver's side dashboard and select Maintenance Reset from the menu. For 2023 plus models with app integration, try the Nissan Connect app, but be aware of potential glitches. A firmware update might be needed if the light reappears prematurely. If you encounter persistent issues, a dealership visit might be necessary. Looking ahead, expect increased digital integration, with AI-driven predictive maintenance, possibly automating resets in future X-Trail models. Also, understand the trend of subscription-based services might make advanced resets part of a pay-per-service model in the future. Always verify the reset was successful and document the date and mileage for your service records. DIY resets save costs, approximately $30 on average versus dealer, but be aware of a roughly 25% initial failure rate due to model-specific nuances.